Hi, grade 7. How are you? Fine. Let's talk about rights and the duties of citizens. It's lesson for 138. First of all, I had the first title Citizens and Citizenship. What about the citizen? Here I have the first definition in our lesson. Citizens are people who live in a certain country. Okay? Citizens are people who live in a certain country. Okay, but in legal terms, to be a citizen, it means more than. It's not to live in your country, but to be loyal to it. Okay? I will repeat again that the citizens are the people who live in a certain country, the inhabitants of the country. But in the legal terms, to be a citizen, it means to show your loyalty to your country. A citizen is a person who belongs to a certain country and who entitled to the rights and the protection offered by the state. Okay, now people who move to a country to live and work, foreign student, tourist, and refugee are not citizens. Okay, the people who travel to another country in order to study. Okay, in order to make tourism. Okay, and the refugee are not the citizen. Okay, but sometimes I have a case called applying for citizenship. It happened with the people who travel to another state and settle in it. After a set of period, sorry, after a set period of time, they apply to citizenship. Okay. Look, if you are citizen, you have a rights and duties. Duties, it means your responsibilities. Okay, your responsibilities. Let's read. Citizens have rights which are normally laid out. They are protected by law. Some of these citizen rights include the right to follow their beliefs, the right to vote in election, and the right to equal protection before the law, and the right to own property. That's your rights. And let's talk. Here I have rights are balanced by duties or responsibilities. For example, citizens of Saudi Arabia have the right to education, but they also have a responsibility to work hard and make the most out of the opportunities given to them. Okay, here this note is very important that the rights and the responsibility are balanced to each other. Okay, if you have right but you have responsibilities. Okay, yes, Saudi Arabia give the citizen of it the right of to be education or to be educated and send them to another country to study. But after finish your study, what you should work hard in order to you should work hard and make the most out of the opportunity given to you. Okay, other duties that are linked to our rights include respecting the other people. Okay, obey rule and law, and respecting the value, tradition, and feeling of your community. Okay, these are the duties: is to respect the other, okay, and to obey the rules and law, and to respect the value, to respect the tradition of your country, and to respect the feeling of your community. That's it about your rights and community. Yes, that's it about. Let's talk about human rights. Human rights. You are as a human has a lot of rights. Let's mention some of them: the right to live, liberty and security, freedom from slavery, freedom from cruel treatment, okay, freedom of movement and the right to nationality, the right to marry, have a family and own property, freedom of thought and belief, freedom of expression and opinion, okay, the right to associate peacefully with others, the right to take part in government and to have equal access to the public services. Okay, here I have a human right that every one of us, every human should enjoy these kinds of rights. Okay, all human beings are entitled to these rights. Okay, that's it about our lesson. Inshallah, I will continue tomorrow.